Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto to Binance application through Coinbase application. So all you need to do first of all is just go and download a Coinbase application on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go and open the application, then click at getting started to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that and log into your account and wait for me a bit. So if you don't have an account, you would like to click at, as I said, as getting started, then follow the steps to create your account, or you can just go and check one of our videos on how to do that in this channel. So let me just go and open my Coinbase application, as you should of course if you want to follow these tutorial steps. So let's just wait until the application loads. So this will be actually your home or your main screen on the application. And as I said, if you want to transfer crypto to Binance application or just Binance websites or just Binance accounts, all you need to do, just go and click at the send option right here. So as you can see, for me, you don't have any accounts from which sending is allowed. For me, I'm using the application actually from a simulator, so I will not have the full like actually options in this application. But for you, all you need to do, just choose the crypto or the assets that you want to send. So let's say as an example, you have Bitcoin, you have USDC, you have Ethereum. Just choose it from here, you'll find it right here. Or even if you buy something or if you have it on your account, you'll actually find it right here. So just choose it. From that, all you need to do, just go and copy the address of your Binance. So of course, if you're sending like the USDC, you would like to copy the address of the Ethereum, and from where you can send USDC. Ethereum, you would like to copy like the address of the Ethereum. Bitcoin, you'd like to copy, sorry, the address of Bitcoin. Then all you need to do, paste it here, enter the amount that you want to send, review your order, then confirm it, and you'll be good to go. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you'll like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.